Insects and worms are regarded by the vast majority of people in the world disgusting and even repulsive. However, there are parts of our planet where they are consumed as mass food, even delicacies. In Thailand, for example, the street food can contain a wide variety of bugs, crickets, cockroaches, worms and larvae, which can be prepared as fried, marinated, crisp or juicy. They can be served as individual dishes, stir-fried, snacks or part of other dishes. It has been demonstrated that they are very high in protein, vitamins, minerals, and only our minds prevent us from enjoying insects as food. Japan and China are famous for its abundance of seafood. Tuna eyeballs are a particular dish and it can be found for a relatively low price on a supermarket shelf. It comes with a bit of muscle tissue and fat around the eye, and they are compared with squid. The most common way to prepare is to boil it or cook it in the oven and season it to taste. For the most of the world, rats are one of the most repulsive animals and having them as food is inconceivable. However, there are parts of the world where these disgusting rodents are considered a delicacy. India, China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Philippines, Indonesia and Thailand are among these countries that think differently than the rest of us. If you visit one of the countries, you would probably need to pay attention what meat is in your hamburger. Apparently they taste like chicken or quail, however, difficult to want to try to see if that is the truth. The water bugs are very large insects living in North America, Northern Australia and Eastern Asia, and they can be found in freshwater springs and ponds. The female water bug is laying eggs on the male wings and they are carried until they hatch. The water bug is an insect that is consumed as a dish itself, however, their eggs are considered a delicacy in Asian countries. The Philippines are famous for strange foods and the duck embryo is one of them. It is called balut, which means eggs with legs, or the treat with feet. Fertilized duck eggs are buried into the ground for a few weeks to allow the embryo to develop. Before hatching time, the egg is boiled with the bird almost fully developed inside and it is eaten in its shell directly. This is casu marzu rotten cheese, a delicacy eaten in Sardinia, Italy. It is in fact rotten sheep cheese left for insects to deposit their larvae inside. These larvae consume the body of the cheese and will leave behind their excrements. If the larvae die, then it becomes toxic and that is why the dish is banned from many places. However, people either remove the live larvae or eat them together before that happens. Century eggs is a dish from China and consists of chicken eggs left over for several months in a mixture of clay, ash and lime. The chemical will penetrate the eggshell and turn the white into gel and the yolk into a blue smelly texture. Despite the fact they have a very strong sulfur odor, they are being consumed as a delicacy for special occasions or even day-to-day snacks. Fruit bats are consumed as a food in various parts of Asia and Pacific Islands. It is considered a clean meat as some of the species of the bats are living exclusively on fruit. Their meat is compared with chicken and they have a low fat meat content but high in protein. Bats can be grilled, deep-fried, stir-fried or even soups. During the cooking they release a strong urine smell as they retain toxins due to hanging down from the tree branches. However, it goes away if properly prepared. Studies show that the bat food can be linked to a few neurological diseases due to the level of toxins built up over time eating seeds which are treated with pesticides. Monkey brains is a dish consisting of parts of the brains of some human relatives, monkeys and apes, as the title suggests. It was probably first time brought to the world's attention by the media and the movies like Indiana Jones. In Western cultures, this practice is regarded as cruel and strange. Monkey brains have been eaten in China and Africa mostly during tribal ceremonies and religious rituals rather than an everyday dish. Consuming the brain and the nerve tissue of animals, especially from a mammal so close genetically to humans, is regarded as a health hazard for contracting diseases. Fried tarantulas are a dish consumed in Cambodia and they can be served deep-fried, stew or sometimes even alive. They are regarded as a delicacy and very nutritious, containing protein, folic acid and zinc. Spider hunting is a full-time job for many people in Cambodia, and their capture can be up to 100 individuals a day. Female tarantulas seem to be the favorite, and the eggs inside will add more flavor. Tarantulas are used for traditional medicine as well to increase men's sexual energy and fertility. Cambodia became a tourist destination for people willing to try anything, visiting crowded spider markets.